Now come to see some of the operators. So using operators can be used during searching some records, like finding, like using, deleting, updating, etc. So the common of the operator used are the equal, not equal, greater, greater than equal, less than equal, in, etc. So we can delete a particular record based on these operation. We can update and we can search. So operators are very necessary, important. Let's see this these objects created for the student. With the We have 5 objects with the id 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Okay, so let's demonstrate some of the example using the operators. We'll write db dot find. Okay, so if I write this, so all of the record will be fetched, but now I will search the specific record based on some of the mm, based on the operators. So I will write, for example, if I write course is equal to 3. Okay, so I will write courses. Okay, and then dollar sign equal. So eq is for equal 3. Okay, so uh, the number of courses equal to 3. Where is 3? Okay, so this one appears here. Student id 5 has registered 3 courses. Okay, if I write not equal sign, for example, if I write here, sorry, I write n equal and n equal. So write n e. So all of these four courses are displayed, except this one. So here we have course 4, 5, 1 and 2, because we have written here the not equal. Okay, so what if I write, uh, instead of not equal, if I write here greater than 3, for example, if I write dollar gt means greater than. So we have here course 5, 4 and only 2 courses, 5 and 4. These are greater than 3. But if I write greater and equal gte, so 3 will also come. Let's see, if I write here gte, so we will have 3, 4, 5. So 3 will also comes here. Okay, if instead of gte, if I write lte means less than or equal to, so we will have 2 and 3. Okay, so this was all about the operators, using operators inside the find. Okay, now come to the in, which is very important. So in we specify values, but we will have make use of array for that. So let's see, db dot student dot finding. Okay, so db dot student dot find. Okay, and then I will write here uh, courses. Okay, courses, and then we will write dollar in. Okay, dollar in, and we cannot write 3 because in is used to specify multiple values. So we will use this bracket which shows the arrays. So search for me 2 and 4, for example. So the values, if the course is either equal to 2 or 4, so search that record for me. Okay, then I will close this bracket, close this bracket. So we have these two. Here we have courses equal to 2, course is equal to course 4. So this is for id 1 Miller, and this is for the id 2 which is Smith. Okay, so these were the basic operators through which you apply different finding operations. Like the finding, we can update and we can delete a record based on these operators. Okay, so if I write db dot student dot update 1. Okay, so if I write update 1, so what is updation? In update we update the record. Okay, so I will write name, and if I write Miller, the first one Miller, I want to, or I write the id which is 1, I want to update the record for the 1. Okay, so I write the id 1, but instead of directly writing 1, I write the I make use of the operators. So what will I do? I will do id uh, id, for example, equal to, so id should be equal to $sign eq. Okay, and equal to 1, for example. Close this bracket, close this bracket. Okay, then what you write next? So what you want to set the value for this? You want to set, so you write $set, and you want to set the courses to be 3 instead. Okay, courses to be 3 instead. So you will write courses, okay, to be 3 instead. Close this bracket, close this bracket. Okay, so we have we will not close this. Close here. So id, we will have id, and which is equal to 1. Okay, so this bracket is for this. If I write here true now, so instead of direct value I write equal, so updated, one record is updated. So if I write update 4 is equal to 3, okay, where the course, the id is set, the course is where the id is greater than 2, but this one will not work. and equal and greater than. So write the, sorry, gt greater than true. Okay, but here write many, acknowledgement true. So we have three modification here. Okay, let's see. Dot student dot find. So the id which is greater than 2 must have three register courses. 3 3 3 3 3. Okay, so this one was by default 3 for this id 3, id 4, id 6, id 1. So this was by default 3, and these one were updated. Okay, like we can delete the record using operator. Example, I write db, well, simple right here. Okay, so what I will write here, I will write delete one. Suppose I write delete one record. Okay, so if I write greater than 2, so greater than 2 can be 3 4 5 6. If I write here delete one, so it will only delete one record, 3. But if I write delete many, so it will delete all the records. Okay, but if I write here equal, okay, equal to, the id is equal to, like the id you can use other characteristics also. So if I write here 5 equal to 5. Okay, so we don't need to mention the, I'll delete. So delete one id equal to 5, true. So one record is deleted. If I write delete many, okay, and where courses are greater than or equal to gte, greater than or equal to courses are right, courses are gte greater than or equal, okay, greater than or equal to 3. So if the number of courses are greater than or equal to 3, so delete all records. So I will make it 4, so that less records can be deleted. I write 3, I will delete all the records, and then so delete 5. This means all the records are deleted. Now see, db dot student dot find no record, all the records are deleted. This was all about the operators. Mm, and you can use operator everywhere. So addition, when we talk about the relational databases, we can search, we can update, we can delete based on the condition, and for that we put where id is greater, where id is less than, where course is between this and this. So the where action is performed like here using the operators. So hope you enjoyed. So this was all about operator. Thank you so much for watching my